Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a very exciting video. I have a bunch of new makeup to show you guys. None of this is anything that I've personally purchased. I want to go ahead and start my video by saying that I have won some of this stuff in giveaways. Some of it I have just been gifted, and I don't want to come off as bragging, but I did want to show you what I received because I love watching makeup hauls and I love seeing what people get on YouTube, different packages and things like that. It's one of my favorite types of videos, is seeing what people receive either from giveaways or that they've purchased or they've been gifted. Those type of videos are some of my favorite things, but I don't want this to come off as braggy. I'm just excited about the products that I received, and I know that there are people like me who do get excited about receiving products and seeing what other people receive. So I just wanted to film this video, but I wanted to go ahead and make that little spiel right there just to kind of let you guys know none of this is anything that I've purchased. I feel very blessed and very grateful to have been gifted these items and to have received these items. So there is a lot going on. So first off, not makeup related, but I did want to mention it because it's super cute. I won a giveaway that my friend was doing on Instagram. His handle is Lightning Leche. He has a Twitch and it's a gaming channel, and I won a Kingdom Hearts pin from his giveaway in honor of Kingdom Hearts 3 launching. If you play video games and you love Kingdom Hearts, let me know down below who your favorite character is. My favorite character is Kairi. I have not played Kingdom Hearts 3, but I did get to see my boyfriend playing a little bit of it, so I wanted to show that to you guys. I know that there's a bunch of viewers out there who do enjoy video games and are gamers, so I wanted to show that cute limited edition pin that I won. Next up, I won a giveaway from Pop Beauty, and this was on Instagram, and you had to enter the last digit of your phone number, and it correlated to a product that they had in their actual photo. And so for mine, I won this double duty bronzer in Bronzed Honeybeam. This thing is huge. It's the size of my face. And I won this, and it's super exciting, and it's just this double-sided bronzer. I actually just used this as well as a lot of these products in a tutorial that I filmed earlier today, and I will have that linked down below if it's already up. But it's just a dual-sided bronzer, and it's got a huge mirror on the other side, and I do really like this. I also received from Benefit just a little gift from them. This is the Lash Leaders, and it's got their Roller Lash Mascara, their Bad Gal Bang, which you know is my favorite of all time, and their Real Mascara. So thank you to Pop Beauty and to Benefit for these gifts. I do appreciate it. This was not a gift. This is just something that they sent my direction for taking a survey for them. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I also received just a gift from Life by Nusha, or Nusha from Life by Nusha. She was cleaning out her makeup, and she asked if there was anyone who was kind of in need of makeup to review for their channel, if they were struggling financially and couldn't afford to purchase any makeup or anything like that to be able to review products. And I'm a substitute teacher. I don't have the steadiest income. It's pretty steady. I work typically every day, but I've got like 3 different jobs going on, and I've got bills to pay, I've got student loans to pay, just all this stuff that I need to take care of, and I haven't had the opportunity to purchase makeup for myself in the last few months. And so to be able to share my story with her, she was touched enough to send some products my direction, and I am so grateful to her. So thank you so much, Nusha. These are the products that she sent my way. I have a Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Warm Sand. It's a perfect contour shade for my skin tone. As you can see, it's a lot deeper than I am, but it would make a beautiful contour, and I do like the applicator on it. It's this really thick doe foot, and I've heard really good things about that concealer in general, so I'm excited to use that as a contour. I also received a beautiful gold glitter nail polish from Julep. This is in Trisha, and it's just this beautiful gold glitter. She also sent over a blush, I'm sorry, not a blush, a highlighter in Ibiza, and I don't own any NARS face products, so I was very excited to receive it. This is what it looks like. It's just a beautiful golden shade. So pretty. I also received a highlighter from Urban Decay, and it's the Disco Queen. It's this nice iridescent purple. I did use this one in my video today as well, so you can see that. I have a Fiona Styles blush. I never received anything from Fiona Styles before or tried anything out from them. This is in the shade Maiden Lane, and it's just a really pretty soft pink shade. So that's what it looks like. And I used this in my video also. I also have a lipstick from Avon, and this is in Vamp. So it's this really deep kind of black cherry purple shade. Very deep, very pretty. I have a lipstick that she sent over from NARS, and it's in Charlotte, and it's this really kind of brick red shade. It's super gorgeous. And then I also have from Maybelline, it's the Dream Bouncy Blush, which I've never tried before. It's a very interesting texture. It's kind of like the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow type of texture, and it's in Coffee Cake. Beautiful neutral nude shade. So thank you once again, Nusha, for sending those products my direction. I was excited to play around with some of them and test them out in a video for you guys today. So like I said, if that video is up, it will be linked down below. Moving on, I won another giveaway. This is from Collab Beauty, and it came in this really beautiful box. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like inside. Ooh, that scared me. It has a little card, and they wrote a little note on it, and then these are the products inside. So there's 2 of their new primers and 3 of their mascaras, and I've heard such amazing things about their mascaras from Tati, or Glam Life Guru, here on YouTube. But they sent over the Pep Talk primer for brightening and revitalizing, the Chill Pill primer for soothing and balancing. I really like these. I've been using them since I got them. They're super nice. The High Rise Insane Length Mascara, the Balm Explosive Volume Mascara, and the Works Wow Effect Waterproof All-in-One Mascara. I tried this one out in the video as well, so make sure you watch the video so you can see my thoughts on some of these. So thank you so much, Collab Beauty. This was my first time trying the products or the brand in general, and I am super impressed. So thank you so, so much. And then the last box that I have to show you is right here. This is what it looks like on the outside. This is what it looks like on the inside. This is a giveaway that I won from Madison 89 Miller, and she just had a mystery box giveaway. I commented on her YouTube video, and I was fortunate enough to be the winner of that giveaway. So thank you so much, Madison. I had a really rough couple days at work, so coming home to this from dealing with kindergartners all day, to come home to this was super nice, and thank you so, so much. So the first thing that I have in here is from Too Faced. It's the Diamond Light Highlighter, which I had been wanting to try, and it is in the shade Fancy Pink Diamond. And this is what it looks like. Here's the actual case for it, and there it is. It is stunning. I used this in the video today as well. That's the first thing. She sent a lot of products from the Wet n Wild Pump collection, so I have the Do This Spritz Cooling Face and Body Mist. I used this as well today. The Wet n Wild Keep Going Waterproof Sweatproof Eyeshadow in Protein Shake. It's this bronzy brown type of shade. I used this in the video as well. A Too Faced Rich and Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in Sunset Crush. That's what the outer packaging looks like. The product itself looks like this. Super, super beautiful. I used that in the video. She sent over the Ico Black Magic Liquid Liner and Wide Lash. I'm not sure what that is, but it's lash enhancing. I have tried this liner before. I have the travel size in my wallet actually, and I take it with me wherever I go in case I need a touch up, but I really like this liner. I also received from her from Hey Honey, it's the Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum, which I'm excited to try out. She sent over a brush from SL Miss Glam. Look how cute the handle is. That's adorable. I love it. There's like little mermaids on it sitting on makeup brushes. So cute. She sent over the Nug Skin Fizz 3-in-1 Cleanser, Exfoliator, and Mask. Curious about this. I've never seen anything like it. From Wet n Wild, it's a Detox It Purifying Glitter Mask. You can see the glitter in there. It's crazy. She sent over a couple of these. These are from Ardell. They're Attitude Adjuster Shade Effects Drops, which you can just apply to your skin or mix in with a foundation. This one is in Glow Mate, and this one's in Perfectly Lit. I also have Pixie Beauty. It's the Rose Caviar Essence. I have a little lip set. This is from Ofra. This is what it looks like. So there's just 4 different shades in here. So there's like a nude type shade, a berryish shade, kind of a coral shade, and a red shade. And it's their long-lasting liquid lipsticks, which are really, really nice. I have from ColourPop these Jelly Much shadows. That's what they look like. I used the pink one today. The pink one's No Rest for the Vivid, and the gold one is Wide Awake. And I do really, really like those. I was very impressed. Some pigments from the Kathleen Lights ColourPop collection. The green one is called the Fish, and the purple one is called the Archer, and I used the purple one today. The Wet n Wild Makeup Locker. It's a 3-in-1 BB cream. So it's got the BB cream down here, and then it's got a corrector up here and a highlighter right here. So it's a very interesting concept. That's what the top looks like. It just pops open, and then you unscrew it and you can get the BB cream out down there. I also have a nail polish from Sinful Colors. This is in Spellbound. Beautiful lavender shade. From Huda Beauty, this is the Cake Day lipstick. It is a super glittery, bright, hot pink. The packaging is adorable, and this is what the lipstick looks like. Can you see all that glitter in there? It's amazing. So that was really fun to open. And then I've got from ColourPop again, it's the Glitterally Obsessed. It's a body glitter in Keep It Platonic. And it's kind of like a jelly based glitter. From Wet n Wild, the Personal Best exfoliating facial cleansing balls. You can see there's little tiny cleansing balls in there, and I guess you just get one in your hand to get it wet and apply it and wash your face. I've got some lip liners from Jordana. I've got Rockin' Rose and Coco Loco. So kind of some brown neutral shades. I have from Too Faced, Give Yourself a Glow Job Disco Glow. It's a radiance boosting glitter face mask. This is what it looks like. Super cute. And it comes with a little spatula inside as well, which is nice. She sent over from Jordana some lip glosses. They're Cosmic Glow holographic lip glosses. So I have 4 of these, if I can show them all to you. Struggling. All right, so there we go. So this pink one is called Crystallized Pink. The white one is called Cosmic Opal. The blue one is called Galactic Blue. And this deeper pink one is called Brilliant Fuchsia. Just a few more things. She sent over the Colorista hair makeup from L'Oreal. It's a 1-day color, and it's in Hot Pink 300. So that's cool. And then she sent over Wet n Wild Partner Up Blemish Stick. It's just this little stick. You can twist it up, and it's just blue on the inside, and it's just a little blemish stick. So if you have a breakout or a blemish, you just apply it, and the alcohol in it soaks it up. It smells like pure 100% alcohol. So it's going to definitely dry out your skin, so make sure you use a moisturizer afterwards. And then the last thing is from Jordana. It's a Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Rose Macaron. So that is everything that I received. I know it's a lot of stuff. I know that I'm very blessed to have received all of this, and I am very, very grateful. If there's perhaps anything that I am not going to use out, then I will stick it in a box to gift to someone else so that they can benefit from this also. But I want to give a huge thank you to Nusha and to Madison and Collab Beauty, Pop Beauty, Benefit, and my friend Doug from Lightning Leche for everything that I received. I am truly grateful and a little out of words for how much this means to me that I was able to receive these products. So thank you. I am looking to elevate my channel and my content and my social media, and you are all helping me to be able to do that. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Hopefully you, my viewers, enjoyed this video. I will be having a giveaway for you guys very, very soon to give back and to pay it forward, basically. But thank you once again to everyone. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you